Hi guys, this is Chris with Precision Turbo. We're here at PRI 2025 and we're excited to introduce our brand new remanufactured program for Holset turbochargers. We've decided to go ahead and move into the Holset VGT Turbocharger remanufacturing game. You can find these units typically on Cummins engines, anything from your ISLs, ISMs, ISBs, all the way up to ISXs. We go through everything, completely redo, rebalance, clean, make it perform up to brand new specifications. Come see us. We'd love to talk to you about it. We're going to have units on the shelf for same day shipping, or you could send in your unit and we can go ahead and go through it, refresh and replace everything you need. When the units come in, we tear them completely down, go through and inspect them, make sure they're up to factory specifications, go through a rigorous cleaning and reconditioning process. Everything internal wear components are replaced and reconditioned. Everything it goes through component level and VSR balancing to make sure they perform back up to OEM quality. Again, everything in these units is OEM quality, backed by Precision Turbos, years of experience in the market. If you have any questions or want to inquire about a product for you, give us a call, follow us on social media. We'd love to help you out.